Hi, this week we are at a big expo, a big fair in Budapest. It's called Construma. I'm very proud of our team that we are here because it's 60 square meters and we are having all the products what we are distributing in our B2B web shop and B2B division. We are expecting around 50,000 people. Here we have all the products like an electric vehicle charger with the BMW CE04 series. What I'm really proud of is that today we have a review wall where you can see more than 300 reviews from our customers. They are residential customers, of course, and they are B2B customers because we are also installing here in Hungary. Each and every day we are finishing around 4 to 8 houses and small and medium businesses like factories. What is really important to say today is that the mounting systems are here. It's easy to touch and to feel and to see how it works. We are always welcoming everybody to our showroom and our warehouse, which is almost 2,000 square meters next to Budapest, but we are in the CEE region, so all the Romanian, Serbian, Slovakian, Austrian and all the other countries, the clients can come and visit us, and we are proud to show everything around and to help them to educate how everything goes. So if you are now just starting a small installation company, don't hesitate to contact us. We are helping you with everything. We are an official distributor of Ryzen, one of the biggest PV module manufacturer in the world. And of course, we are having other big names and brands like Jinko, Trina Solar, Longi Solar. Apart from Huawei and all the Huawei products, what we have like the batteries, the battery management system, the bigger inverters, the optimizer, the smart meters, the surge protectors, and all the nitty-gritty and all the details of this product portfolio. So thanks for watching the video and hope to see you soon in the B2B web shop and talk to our account managers. It's www.solar-kit.hu. Thank you very much.